Hi friends, today we are going to learn some shortcut keys which are useful to us to open the softwares easily and open the some icons easily. So I have created some shortcut keys in Notepad. We are trying these keys which is they are working perfectly or not now. Okay. Firstly, Windows key plus E. It is to open my computer. Now I am clicking Windows key and E. Yes, it is working. Open my computer, this PC. Next one, Windows key plus R. Open run bar. I open. Windows key plus S search bar. Yes, it is also working. Fine. Windows plus P to open duplicate and project screen. Yes, it is also working now. Windows plus I to open settings. Yes, it is also working. Alt plus tab key. Select the previous page. Alt plus tab key. Like this, we can select which page we want. Like this. Next, Control Alt Delete. Control Alt Delete. We can switch user here. We can log the system. We can sign out. We can change the password and open Task Manager, sleep mode, and shut down and restart here. Next, Control Shift ESC to open Task Manager. Control Shift ESC. Yes, it is also working. Control plus C. Means to copy the data. Showing here only. Control plus C. I am copying here. Yes, it is working. Control Z. Undo. Control plus X to cut the data. Selecting these two files. Control X. And have cut it. And pasting here. Control plus V. Yes. Undo. You have to clear this. Control plus Z. Next, type this command in run bar. Go to run bar and we have to type this commands in run bar. Okay, let's try this once. ncpa.cpl to open network connections. ncpa.cpl. Okay, yes, it is also working now. We can see the Wi-Fi connection here and Bluetooth connection and LAN connection also. Next, in run command we have to type control. It will open control panel. Yes, in control panel we can see that all the system settings are here only. A to Z settings are here. We can set the time zone, administrator tool, BitLocker password, all are here only. And next, inet cpl.cpl to open internet connection. inet cpl.cpl internet properties. We can check here some internet settings here, and connections, programs, advanced. We can change settings here, internet settings. Next we can open Notepad, NOTEPA Notepad here, as it is also working. And now we searching that disk mgmt.msc, disk mgmt.msc. It is open disk management. In disk management you can see C drive, D drive, and system reserved space, and we can partition here D drive, and there is no E drive. We can partition E drive by going these options. Okay, next, last one, come to mgmt.msc. To open computer management. In this computer management, we can see task scheduler, event viewer, shared folders. We can create admin account here, and we can see the device manager. All are here. So friends, like these, so many shortcut keys are there. I have explained some of them, and keep trying these shortcut keys and learn easily how to operate computer easily. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment to the video. Subscribe to the channel for more and more videos. Thank you friends.